Hello, this is Mr. Bandy. I'm going to go over just give you a brief overview of using Microsoft Publisher so that you can do your brochure. Now, I already have it on my desktop, and on some of your computers, you probably have it on your desktop also. If not, you'll need to go through the Windows button down here and possibly all programs, Microsoft Publisher or Microsoft Office, and then find the Publisher icon right here. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to do a brochure for an engineering job. So I highly recommend that you just grab one of the templates, and they all have different types here that you can use. And I'm just going to pick one out here. Okay, and so then what I need to do for the brochure is that I need to actually change the headings. And you may ask, well, what am I supposed to put in there for the headings? Well, here is the questions that you need to answer. And you'll find this as part of the assignment. I've sent this to you. And you're going to say, what do they do? And that would answer that question right there. What type of work do people in this career perform? So in your publisher, I would say, what do they do? So where do I find my answers? Man, okay, so why don't we go to the handy website that I'm going to give to you. And it's going to be Occupational Outlook Handbook. Okay, boom. I go right here. So I'm going to do a search here for a chemical engineer. You need to find your own, okay? You can't use this one now. This is going to be illegal. No, I'm kidding. But really, honestly, try to find your own. Okay, so here we go. Chemical engineers apply, blah, 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 blah. So here's all the information that you need. So I'm going to take this information here. I'm going to copy it. And you want to read through it here because I may ask you some questions. They design process and equipment for large scale. But I'm not going to read it all right now, not to you. So right in here, I can actually paste the information. And of course, I probably want a different picture in here. What do you think? Maybe a different picture in there? Yeah, let's find a different picture. So I'm going to open up another tab, and I'm going to look for chemical engineer. And I'm going to look for images. Alrighty, now we got some images up here, don't we? So, I don't know. That looks like a good one. I'm going to copy image. I'm going to go to my publisher, and I'm going to paste. Boom. Oh, it didn't work, did it? Let's just paste it out here somewhere. Okay, now it's not working. Uh-oh. You ever had that happen? So let's try it again. Copy image. And maybe you have to save image as. I'm going to try it one more time. And if not, I'll have to save image. I could also snippet. I'm just going to snip it out. I know snippet will work. And you guys also have snippet available for your use. Okay. So then I can copy it. And I can go to publisher. And then I can paste it in here. Paste. Bam. See how that works? So I may just stick that right down here below. I don't necessarily have to replace it right where it was at. But there's my picture. That's not so bad, huh? So organization, you probably want to say, I just put the job out there again. Chemical engineering. You can stretch the box. Isn't that cool? You don't need to put no addresses. I'm not worried about that. But over here, I need to put chemical engineering again. Because really what you're trying to do, you're trying to sell this job. Boom. So I put a little tagline, we like chemicals. So now I'm come over here, main heading inside. So you're going to have these other headings, and let's say I need another heading right over here. How can I get another heading right above this? How can I do that? Maybe I come in here on this and I copy that. I come over here. And paste. Okay. So now I got my second heading. So what else would I put in there? Well, let's go back to the engineering job, chemical engineers, and let's say work environment. Well, what is their work environment? Well, let's go back and read. So while chemical engineers work mostly in offices and laboratories, they may spend time in industrial plants, refineries, and other locations where they might. I like all that. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this out. Copy that. Go back to my publisher. Highlight all that and paste. Bam. Okay, now I'm going to try to put me another picture in here. Oops. Oh well. It's easier just to go and find a picture and snip it out and get what you want. Let's do that one. What do you think? That picture there. That looks cool. Oh, that's a big old picture. That's awesome. So I'm going to use snippet again. Where'd my snippet go? There it is. Okay, and I want to do a new one. And so I'm going to come in. I'm just going to kind of snip out a little bit of it right here. Okay, I'm going to copy. Go to my publisher. Come in here. Right in. Let's get after the picture here. And paste. Boom. Oh man, big picture, right? But we can shrink it down. We can get it smaller if we need it. Move it on down in here. There we go. Yeah. So second heading, guess what I'd do? I'm going to come back to the website. Boom. Okay. How to become one. Pay. Job outlook. Similar occupations. So I do know that you have to do chemical, what do they do, the work environment, how to become one, pay, and outlook. Those are the areas that you have to answer, and you'll find that right here. This is your assignment, and if you'll notice, there is the website to find the answers. And you go ahead and you fill out the rest of this brochure with the information to each one of these questions. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, that's it.